Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the LG TV and confirming an active network connection. That's essential because the App Store requires internet access. Next, pick up the remote and verify the batteries and pointer work, so navigation is smooth. Once logged into your LG account in Settings, make sure web services are enabled. This lets the TV access app catalogs. Now that these prerequisites are complete, move to the home screen to locate the storefront interface and continue. You press the Home button to reveal the launcher bar. This central hub holds the Content Store icon. Once you select the LG Content Store, allow a few seconds for the catalog to load. This is where apps are listed and updated. Use the remote search field to type an app name or browse categories like streaming, games, or lifestyle to filter results. If a voice remote is available, say the app name to speed things up. Make sure the keyboard appears for manual entry, if needed. You choose the desired app card, press Install, and wait for the progress indicator to finish, then open the app from the launcher or My Apps. If installation stalls or the app won't open, restart the TV first and verify available storage under Settings. Low space can block installs. Once done, make sure your firmware is current and sign back into your LG account. If problems persist, reset the Smart Hub as a last resort. This clears app data, but usually resolves catalog or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.